I don't think you've seen this recipe anywhere else. Ham, cheese, and garlic butter sandwich in the pan. Let's get into it. Now to begin, let's get the garlic butter ready. I've got here about 40 grams of butter, which is room temperature, and I'm gonna use 1 clove of garlic. Finely grated and straight in. I also wanna add in some freshly chopped parsley. Now mix everything together until well combined. Leave it on the side at room temperature so it's still spreadable when we need it. Now bread, and if you've been on this channel for a while, you know that I always recommend getting a whole piece of bread that you can slice it yourself. This way you can control the thickness of your slices and you can balance the filling and the bread as you like. Now when it comes to cheese, I recommend getting it in blocks, and there are 2 simple reasons for that. One, because it's cheaper, and the other one, because it melts better than the ready grated cheese. Now to put our sandwich together, first we're going with a thin layer of garlic butter on the inside. And the garlic butter will not just help getting flavor to our sandwich, it will also keep together the ham and the cheese. Cheese on one slice, and then we're following up with the ham, and then 1 more layer of cheese on top, before adding the other slice on top and pressing so the sandwich stays together better during the cooking process. Now on the outside, garlic butter again, and you can go with a bit more on the outside because this will help giving a nice golden brown color on the outside, but it will also get absorbed by the bread. Set the pan on medium heat, and when the pan is hot enough, we're gonna get in our sandwich. Butter side down, and then we're going with another layer of butter on the other slice. And now we're gonna cook these for about 5 minutes on each side, or until the sandwich gets nice and golden brown in color. And a quick tip here, once you flip your sandwich on the other side, get a lid on. This way you're gonna ensure that the cheese gets melted properly. Now if you enjoyed this simple recipe, make sure to check this video right here. And if you wanna be up to date with simple cooking tips and recipes, make sure to subscribe to my newsletter, which is in the description of this video. I will see you in the next one.